Scooters have always been in the key focus of all the two-wheeler makers in India thanks to the all-time high demand they enjoy because of the comfort, convenience and practicality they offer. And today we have the Yamaha Ray ZR 125 Fi with us. So let's take it on a quick spin to find out if it has what it takes to be distinctive in the 125cc segment space. Now starting off with the exteriors, there is no denying that this scooter looks bit too much and the styling is in your face much more than what it used to be on the previous Avatar, and Yamaha likes to call it the stealthy look, and I wouldn't disagree. Now the Yamaha design team has gone overboard with the edges and panels on this scooter to give it a very distinctive oddball design, and I think they've achieved it. The build quality of the Ray ZR is impressive and the plastic panels used on the body feel strong and sturdy. While the scooter surely seems built to last, the front mudguard on the flip side feels a bit flimsy. Also, the switches do look a tad bit conventional, especially by the scooters and conventional design standards. Now, not everyone would be a fan of its unconventional look, but what's certain is the fact that it looks distinctive and out of league, especially from the rather simple and traditional looking scooters present in the market today. Not talking about its features, it gets a fully digital instrument console which is limited only to the disc brake variant, and there is also a Y-shaped LED position light at the front, and there is a multifunction switch as well, and that's it. And it's quite surprising considering the fact that this scooter has been aimed at a slightly younger audience. The scooter gets a fairly spacious 21-litre boot, which has been designed to accommodate the daily paraphernalia with ease. While fitting a mid-sized helmet won't be a problem, a full-size lid will be difficult to fit in this space. Moreover, the scooter also gets a front luggage hook for added convenience on your daily tour to the grocery store. While the features list may not be best in class, but one area where the scooter certainly impresses is in the way it rides. It gets a 125cc single-cylinder fuel-injected mill which delivers 8.2 PS of maximum power and 9.7 Nm of peak torque. Now, this peppy and smooth and responsive unit combined with the light weight of this scooter gives it a very confidence-inspiring and friendly character. Also, not to forget that this scooter gets this silent start system which Yamaha calls Smart Motor Generator, which, as the name suggests, helps start up the engine without making any sort of noise which is usually found when you start off an engine. The suspension setup on the Ray ZR isn't exactly plush, but has certainly improved with the new update. There is an initial bit of firmness from the front telescopic fork, but the ride improves on the higher speeds. The seat feels wide and comfortable for the daily city rides, but the floorboard and the space for your legs might feel a little compact, especially for the taller set of riders. The braking on the scooter deserves a special mention, as it is by far one of the best scooters in the segment when sheer stopping power is taken into consideration. The lever feedback from the front brake and the progressive nature of this system instills confidence during sudden braking. Speak of unconventional design, and Yamaha Ray ZR doesn't fail to impress, and it is certainly one of the best scooters you can buy when it comes to sheer ride quality and performance. But not everyone buys a scooter based just on that. That said, what it desperately needs with the next update is a set of modern features which will make or break the deal. That's all on the show today. It's goodbye for now, and as always, ride safe.